back-to-back squattage. What? Is that a shark in a dress? Just cruising out here in San Jose with the boys, about to go to another spot. It's nice being out. Feels good. What's up, you guys? We are in the streets of San Jose with young Mark Ortega. We got Malik.
Jungle Book.
Jungle Book.
Let's go.
Glow behind the camera. I am Nigel Jones. And we're gonna try and do some street skating. We're at, what is it, Chavez Park?
Chavez, basically.
So it's like
Plaza del Caesar.
This is the first spot. They get 3 blocks. They got ledges on the side. There's another 7-stair over there, and there's spots literally everywhere. So we're gonna put the boys to the test and try and get these clips. Would you come back this way?
We're just gonna do our best to stack as much as possible. Exactly. That's the goal.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go.
Oh, that thing's buttery.
That was solid. That was solid. Back-to-back squattage.
Oh my Lord.
Run that one back, baby.
Yeah, I was like,
Wow. That was beautiful.
that was sick. Money. Wow. Look better. Thank you.
You might want to wax that.
I know, right?
I'm gonna wait till we start hitting the drop section a little bit. I'm gonna get some drop tricks.
Alright, we're moving to the 3 block.
Alright mate, you've got me on the camera now. I'm Gabe Cruz from Europe. Look at this Mowgli, he got another camera.
Tell me.
Look at it's
Doesn't
double.
it look pretty out here?
No, it looks horrendous.
Horrendous.
Alright then Nigel. Crikey! I'm gonna go have a seat.
What?
Hey, Glow having post-traumatic stress from filming Burial Hill.
That was a little set off.
You see that filming right there?
Alright, y'all got my back right here. Let's see it.
Check this filming. That filming wasn't as good.
Banger gang.
Are we moving on, or is this like?
Yeah, we could go to like more spots
Yeah,
or
let's go to
something.
another spot.
Yeah, let's go.
That was
Real quick. Let's go.
Dudes killed it at the spot.
Real quick.
This was awesome. Real quick.
Really cool spot. Come out here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Chavez.
Chavez, middle of it, and there's plenty more.
All right. See you at the next spot.
I saw, dude.
Oh, this spot.
Yeah. Real quick.
Oh. All right. We off to the next spot. It's a bust.
So this is the reality of street skating. You get kicked out sometimes. All the time.
Most of the time. Especially down here.
What?
What? Is that a shark in a dress? Just cruising out here in San Jose with the boys, about to go to another spot. It's nice. It's nice being out. Feels good. This spot? Front spin, first try? Bang. Who wanna hold this?
I'll take honors on that.
This thing's fried.
All right, let's see this.
Is me on camera now?
I saw, dude.
Oh, let's see it.
Did it lock in like normal?
Wow. First tee. First tee. First tee. All right, let's see it. Run it, Nigel, come on. TM got it. Had to touch it first, get myself in the field.
You got
Right here, give me some. There it was.
Wow!
If you can all do the same thing without falling, you're gonna stay.
Okay.
If not, so you gotta go supposed to
Oh, dude. Okay. All do the same trick. Hey, y'all gotta pick a trick that you can all do. He said if you guys, one of us doesn't land it, then we have to go. Okay. Okay.
We're hoping for something cool.
Yes. I think we're only gonna be here for like 10 more minutes, if that. I think they're just gonna try and get these tricks and then we're out of here. Okay, definitely. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. Hey, stay out of people's way. Hey, that was probably the coolest experience. We just had, I don't even know if they were cops or security, but they just walked up.
Skaters 1, security 0.
They said, you have one try to land. They all had to land a trick back to back, and if they landed it, we could stay. But if they didn't land it, we had to leave. And they all ollied. You should have heard him. He was like, I mean, they went wrong. Oh, that was awesome. Shout out to the cops or security in San Jose, whoever they are. You guys are awesome. Unfortunately, I must part ways from the homies. Good luck.
Thank you, Nigel.
Of course.
Have a great day.
I hope you guys have fun out here. Glow, do you want to take over? Or you want me to give it to Uzi?
I think Uzi got it.
Uzi's gonna take over from here.
Why you gotta leave?
Because I have a baby reveal to go to.
A baby reveal?
Yeah, it's like my best friend. You're fine. Just literally point. Come on, Uzi!
What do you mean? How is it my fault? You
Already
literally.
lagging. Already.
All right, I guess you gotta stay then.
Oh, they're rehearsing something.
You want tray flip in the middle of that?
Dude, that would be.
If you
All
fire
right,
that
let's
up-
go. Let's go. I messed up. Hey, if you mess up, we have to leave. Yes. First try, dude. I was nervous.
That's good.
Yep. Let me try one more if I. I was waiting for that one.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, count.
Got that back. Alright, camera's about to die. Lean right here. Oh, last one.
God.
Camera's gonna die.
No! Camera's gonna die. And that is it for today. We're ending it here in San Jose College. We out here. We got the crew.
Yeah.
Willie just
Where are we?
handled
Where were we?
Thank y'all.
SJ.
408, baby.
SJ.
Downtown. San Jose.
Leave a comment if we should keep street skating. And Uzi right here. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes.
Videos on the left side. Check them
I
out.
already did this, but
Okay.
do it again.
Do it twice.
No, you got it.
Let's redo it.
No, just keep.
But that was good.
Uh,
What do you mean? That was the
Yeah,
best
it's-
ender. We ended it.
I
with-
know, just
All right, bye.
have a good day.